Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to get a free domain for your Wix website. It's easier than you think. Let me walk you through the simple steps. First, log into your Wix account and head to manage.wix.com. Make sure you've selected the correct website. Now navigate to Settings on the left-hand menu, then click Website Settings. Under Site Address, you'll see your current domain. You can edit the first part, for example, changing to another keyword. But what if you want to customize the second part of your domain? Here's the trick. Click your profile picture in the top corner, go to Account Settings, and look for Site URL Prefix. Hit the pencil icon, and you can update this section too. Just enter the prefix. Watch how the full domain updates instantly. Once you're happy, just hit Save, and boom, your custom free domain is ready to go. That's all there is to it. By using this method, you can get a free domain for your Wix website. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Wix tips. Thank you for watching.